To start picking your waypoint, before you start picking your waypoint, you have to set your function. Go to function, you go to waypoints, then you select automatic. Sometimes no option will be selected, but when you select automatic, it will pick the waypoint automatically. So you go back, and now you see this option, this button called start stop. You click it, then you click it again. So the first time you click it, it's going to display the coordinate of the point you want to save, the coordinate of the point you are standing over. So you click it again, it's going to collection successful. So you selected it. That was waypoint 14. You are now on waypoint 15. So when you move to the next point, you go to the next point, you click it again, the start stop button, collection successful. So we are now on waypoint 16, which is the next point we are going to pick. So now that we've picked all these points, to view it, we have to go to record. Remember, go to waypoint, or go to view waypoint. So we'll click this joystick up so that we'll go to the last waypoint instead of just going one after the other. We'll click this joystick up to just take us to the bottom of the waypoints we've picked. So we are now on waypoint 15. Now we can view the waypoint, and we can record it. We can use it to do whatever we want to use it to do. So these are the points I've picked. These one we picked in last state. So these are the ones we picked today. So now sometimes we can want to track a point that we picked. What you just need to do is go to function, go to navigation, click navigation, click waypoint. You can decide, okay, let's track waypoint 3. You select it, then you click start. It's going to tell you it is okay, it is 439 kilometers away. Let's go and track. This is in zone 32. Let's go and check the recent one we've done. So let's just then say start. So I'm going to wait for it to set. So when we move, telling us this is the compass, telling us this way. The reason for this distance is because we are under roof, so the point it picked is wasn't really accurate with it. So this is how to track your waypoint. So this is about the Wanggan. This is about the Wanggan Handheld GNSS. Thank you.